Hey everybody, my keyboard shortcut in new Outlook is not working. How to fix it? Simply first click on this gear symbol which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now click on General. Now here you need to click on Accessibility. The first option is keyboard shortcut. You will see turn off keyboard shortcuts is by default selected. All you have to do is to check any options available here. If you like to see the Outlook for Windows keyboard shortcuts, simply click on it, hit save. To see the full list of supported shortcuts, press the question mark key or click here. So I will click here and you will see all the keyboard shortcut which supports this Windows style. And if you click on this Outlook on for the web, select it, save it. Now click on this, click here, and you will see web style keyboard shortcuts, all of them. So that way you can change the keyboard shortcut style as well as enable your keyboard shortcuts. There is another method to reach there. You can very easily simply click on the search bar, type shortcut, and you will see keyboard shortcut over here that will directly take you to this window. Thanks for watching.